ako dahil anniversary ang isang private school. Ayan nagtawag na ng kanilang mga batches. Pero naki-join kami si Gate Crush to my cousin's year.
Tita Barla Loving Life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Bagong ticket.
Hi, good evening everyone. Today is April 27. Nasa plaza ako dahil anniversary ang isang private school. Ayan nagtawag na ng kanilang mga batches. Pero naki-join kami si Gate Crush to my cousin's year. Ayan ang mga kagulawan. Ayan. Ma-text pa kay tita.
Madam Abajan, if ever you are part of the great batch 1977, introduction everybody, here they are.
Aman si tita ba? Padong na mo, dool na mo! 1982! Oh, bye-bye! Balik! Asa makadapit ba? Sige, tutok.
Batch 2010. Coming batch 2010, come on, take a ride. Ladies and batch 2010. Dalawa. Alright, let's have a picture.
Party Mama! Sherry, oh yeah. Pasapot.
With batches 2000.
Sa may gagasto.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening!
Naade ay, abi na kong walay tao. Ato po ipadayon ang susuporta sa atong scholars at team kabuok na nag-opening salvo. Ato pong paningkamutan as our legacy and our advocacy as tenants and Rosarians. Magpadayon ta magsuporta sa ilang scholarship. No, kami sa among batch, we are proud to say nga nakapahuman naming isa ka scholar. No, so dili lalim ang ilang gibati nga gikan sa atong mga resources nga atong mahatag nila through education.
2002 representative.
Ako din lang.
It has been a journey for us. Host batch. The show ba kaning the spotlight only shows the celebration, but behind it kana ba mo ingon nga usab pay layog ani mga anak mi. Pero kana bang
Once again, please get ready for the raffle draw. You might be one of our raffle draw winners. Bring home our raffle prizes. Our first raffle prize is a 16-inch sand fan. Congratulations, you win a 16-inch sand fan.
Mary Francis!
Far Dorato. Congratulations, sir. Please wait. Your time. Raffle draw winner. Sir, mag-one batch po kayo.
Nay, mo gawas na?
We have batch 1987. Batch 1989 is our third place for our table setup competition. Congratulations, you will receive 2,000 pesos. Batch 1986. Congratulations. 1986, our second placer. The winner is Batch 2003. Batch 2003 is our table setup winner. Our next host batch, everybody, batch 2003. Pinaghanda na po ang kanilang table setup. Much more. The 2027 homecoming alumni of HRS SMC.
Yes, fireworks lagi.
By the way, for those who would like to have the best viewing experience, we actually, kung sakali po ay nalo ng ating tent, pwede naman po kayong move a little bit back and show the digital world you have been a part of this alumni homecoming. I think we're ready for the fireworks display.
Dali.
Let's
Go.
start the countdown. This is Brighter Together, Lights Unite in 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. Everybody, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy Red Alumni Homecoming!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.